In today's analysis, gold against US dollar, we can see that the price yesterday has formed a strong bearish candle where the price, after making a bearish breakout below 2329.13, has managed to reach 2299.00, a support level, after making this bearish breakout also below the price level where these two candles, open and close body, 2321.42, has been broken. Now we can see this is continuation of this strong bearish engulfing candle that has been formed on a Friday last week, and we can see that the price has managed to make these bearish breakouts where the price has stopped right at the very important support level. Now the price has formed this bearish candle where the price did not manage to close below this support level, which would indicate, like in this example, a bearish breakout, and also like in this example. So I will wait to see how the price behaves around this support level. On the smaller time frames, on the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame, it will be much more clear what will happen on the lower price levels and where the breakout will form. Will it form here on the bearish side, or it will move on to bullish side? But for now, if we take a look also on the weekly time frame, it is continuation of this bearish breakout that has been formed in the previous week, where the price has stopped just at the support level where the price currently is. So we have 2 days more in this week, so we'll see what happens around this price level, which is a very important price level. But for any other movement currently, I will wait until the price makes a clean movement, and that means will the price make a bullish breakout about 3.43, or the price will make a breakout below this one to 293.48, or also below this one, which is a very important support level. We can see that in the past on these two candles. Now, for any movements during the day, today I will watch on the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame, where you can see a smaller price levels and also levels I have put as support and resistance, and I'll form the traders inside the Telegram group. You can see that here, where I share also the details about what is currently happening on the market, where the price will make a breakout, what is the target after the breakout happens. So if you would like to check this one, feel free to come inside the Telegram group, where the link will be below in the description. This is all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.